Kakadosh Boker Or. Masechet Bava Metzia Daf Yutet Amud Aleph 119a1. Says the Gemara. We were speaking about yesterday. Utna Nami Gabe Ola. We're talking about now by Orla. Ki Gavna, just like this case as well. Ilana Yotze Min HaGeza Min HaShodashim. When you have a small tree that's coming out from the Geza and Shodashim of a big tree, which means that it already came out, it already passed the years of Orla, right, on the big one, but now you have from the small one, it's coming from the big one. So he says over here, Chayav Be'Orla, you're going to be obligated on Orla. These words are Rabbi. Yudah comes and he says, Min HaGeza, you're going to be patur from Orla. Because since it's part of the big tree, so it's considered a kilu, it's coming out from the other parts, and therefore you throw the nof, which is the outer parts, after the ikar, which is the main part, and then you're going to be chayav. That's the shita. So again, so according to Rabbi Yudah, if it's from the geza, you're going to be patur. From the shorashim, from the roots, you're going to be chayav. So it says the Gemara, utzricha, and you need both cases. Meaning, we need also the case of orla and also the case of buying and selling. Mekach umemkar. Diyash minan kamaita, but as if it was only going to be brought to us the first case. Behakam Rabbi Yehuda, in this case, it says Rabbi Yehuda says this, Nishum de mamona, because it's money. And therefore, you're not going to be machmid, right? Or to be mekel. Aval legabe orla, but to do the orla that it's isur, ema model Rabbi Meir. Maybe he agrees with Rabbi Meir. Meaning, the case of money, if I'm going to be machmid for me, mekel for you, or mekel for you, that means it's always going to be a chumra and a kula. Just depends for who, for you or for me. But to do with these surim has nothing to do with an individual. So just be machmid. So you would think that he agrees to Rabbi Meir, right? V'yitmar beha. Now, if it was only going to be brought down the machloket to do with orla, beha kamar Rabbi Meir. In this case, Rabbi Meir says it, right? The what? That the geza is like something new. So he says aval be'ahi. But in the case of mekach umemkar, maybe I would say that he agrees to Rabbi Yehuda. So tzricha, that's why I need both cases in order to show you that there's a machloket in both of the cases. Okay, fine. 2 dots. Rabbi Shimon comes. Amar Rabbi Shimon. Kol she'alyon yachol lifshot. According to Shitat Rabbi Shimon, if you remember, the top guy puts his hand, and whatever he could take belongs to him, and all the rest belongs to the bottom guy. So Amri de Rabbi Yanai, they told me Rabbi Yanai uvilvad shelo yanes. But that's as long as there's no onus involved here. What does that mean? He says that it's dafka if he does it properly, but not that he's pushing himself. Meaning not that he's trying to make that his hand becomes of Batia's, Bitia's hand. That he's like, no. Easily. Puts his hand, whatever he puts his hand down, he could take, that belongs to him. So by Ravanan comes and he says, what happens if the top one could get to the nof of the yerek, but not to the ikar of the yerek? Right? Or the ikaro, not the nofel. So 2 different cases. Either you put your hand down, you could get to the top part of the tree, or the whatever you want to call it, the bushes, the vegetables, but you can't get to the roots, or the opposite. You can get to the roots, but the tree is like that. So therefore it's inclined towards the bottom one. What's the halacha? Take it. We don't have an answer. Okay? Amar Ephraim Safra, Tamid Rosh Hashanah, says Ephraim Safra, the Tamid of Rosh Hashanah, Mishum Rosh Hashanah, Rosh Hashanah, halacha zayka b'Shimon. They said in front of Shmor Malka, Malehu, and he told them, right? And he went and he said this pasuk that we're going to say next time.